So we're set up here at Penco Power Products in Kalispell, Montana for their annual winter product showcase. It's going on all day tomorrow. If you're in the area, be sure to come by. It's fantastic. There'll be reps from all kinds of great companies here. Santa flies in the helicopter. It's a big deal. It's fun stuff. And we've got this sweet snow bike here that belongs to Brock Bolin, who works here as a parts manager, and he is also a Timbersled ambassador. So this is his sweet setup for this season. He's got the Timbersled Arrow 137 LE on his Husqvarna, and really nice setup. And so this is basically our display. We've got the 3-gallon gas bag, fuel safe bladder. We've got some of our mounts and anchor straps here securing it to the tunnel. This one has this nice Mopro's rack set up on here with ski, snowboard mounts. So we're taking advantage of that to give us lash points to strap the Revelstoke tunnel bag on there. And then we're piggybacking the Possibles pouch on top there with a couple quick release pronghorn straps. These are just an optional upgrade. It comes with its own straps that you can use as well. And then kind of same idea here with the Possibles pouch. Fits perfectly right on the subframe of the Arrow Timbersleds. And with the pronghorn straps, it's quick to pop it off and get in and out of it if you need to. Good place to carry some tools and that sort of thing. Moving forward here, we've got zigzag handlebar bag on here. Great place to keep your wallet, keys, registration, driver's license, all that kind of stuff. Some snacks, things you want to keep handy. Spare gloves and goggles actually will fit into that zigzag. And then we have the Bushwhackers hand guards strapped onto the rigid Fastway deflectors on here. And again, they just strap on when you need them. They just pop right off with these quick straps when you don't. But these babies give you huge amount of protection from the snow blowing into your hands and controls. They keep your hands dry, keep the brush out of your hands and controls. Those are hand savers right there, the Bushwhackers hand guards. We've got our fender bag strapped on here as well. So 3.5 liters of waterproof storage, great place to keep some spare goggles, gloves, lightweight essentials. And that's the setup here. Come by and see us tomorrow at Penco Power Products in Kalispell, Montana. Reps from lots of great companies will be here. It's a great event, great people. Look forward to seeing you. Go light, go fast, go far.